Take a glass of this and let your new liver as one fell swoop. Amazing. The body responsible for detoxifying our body, among other important functions such as protein synthesis, is the liver. That is why keep it healthy and functional is vital to preserve our health and prevent liver diseases such as fatty liver, for which we recently learned about remedies. Purify our liver with some frequency is a habit that has a positive effect on our health, and we can do very easily at home. Today we will learn to realize ourselves liver cleansing peppermint, a plant with large properties that help to improve the functioning of our liver naturally. Liver cleansing peppermint and citrus. Liver new. What do we need? A handful of mint leaves, lemon, orange and water. How to prepare the remedy? Pour in a bowl a couple of liters of water and a large handful mint leaves. We boil for 5 minutes and let rest. Extract the juice of an orange and a lemon, and pour into a cup with a tablespoon of lemon peel, very clean, grated, and a couple of tablespoons honey or sugar, to sweeten. Strain the infusion of mint and mix it with citrus juices that have squeezed. A very healthy detoxifying cure that will help us clean our liver in depth and improve our overall health. To get the full potential we must take it every day for a week, rest, and repeat if we believe necessary.